hey, our God can save us, but even if he doesn't, we're not bowing. That kind of faith and courage didn't happen overnight. That kind of faith and courage happened with years of walking with God. This is a covenant-based faith. God said he will protect us, therefore I'm trusting in him. This is not an outcome-based faith. They made it very clear. They didn't stop at our God can save us and he will, so therefore we're not bowing. They said our God can save us and he will, but even if he doesn't, we're not bowing. Do you catch the difference? An immature faith is a faith that is dependent on outcome. A mature faith is a faith that says, regardless of the outcome, I trust in the sovereign hand of God.